Welcome to Kalvi Thedal, PGTRB English 2025. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Dream Children was written by Charles Lamb. It is an essay. Dover Beach, The Scholar Gypsy were written by Matthew Arnold. Charles Dickinson wrote Hard Times. It is a fiction. Robert Browning's Andrea del Sarto is a poem, dramatic monologue. Robert Frost belongs to America. Dance Like a Man was written by Magesh Dattani. Aristotle's Poetics is a literary criticism. The fiction Coolie was written by Mulkraj Anand. The God of Small Things was written by Arundhati Roy. At Koolalla was written by Judith Wright. Keep watching.